Today I'm very upset. It was at school. Friend Gabriel Garcia, Reese Elementary, Miss Flynn's class. He's starting to get annoying. First thing, we were going fine and everything. Fine went at recess like 2 days ago. 2 days ago, yes, 2 days. So my friend Kylie Mackey, she my friend and Gabriel, well, me and Gabriel are neighbors. They're like right in the corner right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Sorry, guy, I have a cold. Okay, so she told my friend Kylie that I wrestled him. Well, I barely do that anymore. And then after that, I told him, and then the next recess, I told him, on the other side, he says, no. And then I hit him. I punched him. He told on me. I got in trouble. I got suspended for at least like a week. And after that, today, like right now, he popped. Okay. So when I told him to go on the other side, he wouldn't do it, and I said, okay, if you're not gonna go, I will go. My friend Keenan tried to stop me, and then when I was trying to catch it, I was blocking him, and then he just kicks it out of the fence. He kicked into the instruction site. So then after that, he popped 2 kickballs in one recess. 5 minutes, 1 ball to pop. And I told the principal on him. He got suspended for like 5 weeks. And I punched him after that. He didn't tell. He's gonna scare it. I told on him. Well, no. Well, he was scared because I was gonna punch him again if he told. So, yes. Bye. Yeah. Bye.